Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I am sure you must have guessed by now with the thumbnail and the intro that this is going to be a holiday makeup look. This is super easy and very quick to do. So, without any further delay, let's get into the makeup chair. So let's start with our base. For primer, I'm going to use the 𝐿𝐹 primer, which is the hydrating primer. And for foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Golden Sand. And for concealer, again, I'm going to use one of my favorite, which is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Physician bronzer, the butter bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetic blush palette, and I'm going to use this shade. And for highlighter, I'm going to use the Kiko Milano highlighter. For eyebrows today, I'm going to use the NYX micro brow pencil and Essence brow pen. Now this is absolutely life-saving. Whenever you're in a hurry, always use this. Trust me, you will see. Now to start with the eyes, just let's prime the eyes with the concealer. This is NYX Professional Concealer, the HD Photo Finish Concealer, Photogenic Concealer, sorry, in shade CW. And just set it with a powder. So let's move on to the eyes. Now we got to keep it very simple, and yet look that we've made so much of effort. So to start with the eyes, I'm going to use a bronzer. You can use any bronzer. This is a little darker for my shade, so I'm going to use this. You can use any light brown eyeshadow that you have. I'm going to take a blending brush and just apply it as a transition shade. That's about it. Do the same thing on the other eye. Next is our main glitter that we're going to use. Now this is from ColourPop. You can use any glitter that you have. Okay, this is a very gel consistency. So if you can see, with your ring finger, just apply it on your lids. I just love this glittery eyeshadow. Now with the same blending brush, without adding any product, just blend. Now here's the fun part, okay? This is your base eyeshadow. You can add any color to it: blue, green, pink, yellow, brown, whatever color whatever color dress that you're wearing. I'm going to go today with a berry color. Okay, this eye pencil is from Essence, long lasting eye pencil. They're very creamy, very nice. The only thing that I'm going to do is line my upper lash line and then smudge it. So let's see. Just make sure that you have an eyeshadow very similar to the color pencil that you're using, because you want to smudge it off. To smudge it, I'm going to use the Maybelline Soda Pop palette, and I'm going to use this shade. It's like a mauvey berry color. Not exactly berry, but yeah. I'll do the same thing on the other eye and I'll be back. You see how pretty the eye looks? Imagine the color with green, the blues. I love the berry as well. Now for the lower lash line, what we're going to do is we'll take the berry shade and the bronzer shade, okay? I'm going to mix the two together. So I'm going to take a little bit of the berry shade, a little bit of the brown shade, and add it to my lower lash line. So we create a very soft smokiness under the eye. To get everything together, I'm going to apply the eye pencil that we used earlier. I think the black will look more better, or brown, whichever color. I'll go with the black. And I forgot to highlight my brow bone. And just apply a little highlighter in the inner corner. For mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensation Mascara. And now for the most important part, the lipstick. Now for lipstick, I'm going to use the Maybelline True Match. Superstay, sorry. And NYX Soft Creme. Now the reason I use NYX was because to show you how a nude pink color or a light pink color shade will look with this. Now I'm going to try the berry shade that we have. Now this is how it looks with the berry shade. Now, when we have glitter going on, you can keep matte lips, but I really like a little bit of gloss. Now this gloss is from H&M. Only in the center.